Your Weather Authority forecast with Josh Ruggard, certified most accurate by WeatherRate.
Well, showers are starting to expand in coverage across portions of northwest Arkansas and the River Valley. You can see that activity right now just off to the west of I-49 along Highway 412. A lot of those showers starting to move into Salem Springs and will eventually move into Bentonville, Rogers, and Fayetteville within the next 10 to 15 minutes. So make sure you're taking it nice and easy on the interstates and highways this morning. Thankfully, this cold front is sagging off to the east of the area, so we're not expecting widespread severe weather potential today, though a few stronger thunderstorms could start to pop off later on this afternoon into the evening hours. That's why we've got a level 1 out of 5 marginal risk of severe weather in place for areas along and east of I-49. This goes until about 8 p.m. today. At most, we'll see frequent lightning, small hail, and gusty winds with some of those stronger thunderstorms, but again, not expecting a whole lot of impacts as we go throughout your Wednesday afternoon. But on and off showers will continue throughout the morning hours, especially along and north of Interstate 40. Those showers will be lifting off to the north and east at about 30 miles per hour. I do think we see a little lull in the activity during the early afternoon hours in northwest Arkansas, but notice around 3, 4, 5 p.m., some additional showers and storms start to develop. These will have the potential to be a little bit stronger in the higher train of the Boston and Ouachita Mountains and should be out of our weather coverage area by the time we get to the overnight hours tonight. You'll see that reflected here on the northwest Arkansas day planner. A few isolated scattered showers and storms this morning in northwest Arkansas, going with about a 30% chance of rain. High temperatures this afternoon will be in the middle 70s with a 40% chance of showers and storms mainly between about 12 to 5 p.m. in northwest Arkansas and the River Valley. But more shower and storm potential coming up for the latter half of this week, especially on Thursday night into Friday. Now, this is the day 2 convective outlook. Notice how we have a level 1 out of 5 marginal risk in place for most of northwest Arkansas and the River Valley. This goes from about 12 a.m. to 7 a.m. early Friday morning. So take that into account when you look at that day 3 outlook, because this is after 7 a.m. on Friday. And notice how we have a level 2 out of 5 slight risk in place. So damaging winds, large hail, and a low-end tornado threat will exist with the stronger thunderstorms, especially along and west of I-49. And you'll see why that is here on Future Track. Notice late Friday into early Friday morning, you can see those showers and storms moving into northwest Arkansas. Again, this will be moving right along the I-49 corridor during that morning commute on Friday. So got to make sure you're taking it nice and easy, maybe planning accordingly as we move throughout the morning commute on Friday. Those showers and storms will start moving into the higher train of the Boston and Ouachita Mountains during the late morning hours on Friday before shifting out of our weather coverage area Friday afternoon into the early evening hours. But additional showers and storms certainly a possibility as we go throughout the weekend as well, especially during the overnight hours Friday into early Saturday morning. I think the bulk of the shower and storm activity is actually going to be during the nighttime hours this weekend, so you can see that quick moving line of showers and storms Saturday night into Sunday, additional pieces of energy Sunday night into Monday. So this is a good sign right here, because that means that the baseball super regional will be in better shape if all these showers and storms can come through the area while you're sleeping here in northwest Arkansas. So we'll keep a close eye on that, let you know about the latest details. In terms of additional rainfall, expecting about 1 to 3 inches of rain, with maybe some locally higher amounts possible along and south of Interstate 40 in the River Valley. So a 60% chance of showers and storms Thursday night into Friday, 40% chance of rain on Saturday, 30% chance of rain on Sunday into Monday. High temperatures remaining steady in the lower to middle 80s over the next several days. Overnight lows will be in the middle to upper 60s. Notice how those low temperatures start to drop off next week too. That's because the humidity will be moving out of our area, albeit briefly, so just stay weather aware there. River Valley highs in the lower 80s today, upper 80s to near 90 degrees as we move throughout the weekend, with a 60% chance of showers and storms Thursday night into Friday.